A high-quality tandem kayak is a true workhorse and can provide a variety of functions to work properly on multiple aquatic terrains. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best tandem kayaks available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Ocean Kayak Malibu 2 Tandem. The Malibu 2 by Ocean Kayak is on the smaller side as far as tandem kayaks go. For those without sports utility vehicles or those who plan to paddle through confined spaces, this option is wonderful. It's a fact, smaller boats are far easier to maneuver both on dry land and in the water. However, the strongest feature in my mind about the Ocean Kayak that truly makes it the best two-person kayak is the wraparound seat backs. While other two-person kayaks have separated backings that can become flimsy or break, the Malibu's contours to the share of your back and is taller than most seat backs as well, providing ample support. The comfort makes this option ideal for longer paddling trips. It should be noted that the Malibu is shorter than other tandem kayaks tested. If you or your paddling partner are taller than average, space might be cramped. However, with a sit-on-top design, the kayak is comfortable and forgiving to any and all paddlers. Number 4. Advanced Elements AdvancedFrame Convertible Inflatable Kayak. The Advanced Elements AdvancedFrame Convertible Inflatable Kayak is by far one of the most attractive and innovative kayaks we have ever tested. It is unique and truly solves many of the issues present in both inflatable kayaks and tandem kayaks. This boat is convertible in that it can be a solo or a tandem kayak. You can paddle solo using the middle seat, or tandem using the seats in the front or back. These can be changed up at any time, and the chosen setup has no negative effect on the quality and efficiency of the paddling. Additionally, while inflatable, this tandem kayak has an aluminum frame, providing strong rigidity lost on most other inflatable options. It will perform almost exactly like an equivalent rigid kayak. Unusual features such as deck rigging and a spray skirt round out this awesome option. Number 3. Driftsun Rover 120 and 220 Inflatable Kayak. The Driftsun Rover is a feature-rich, long and wide tandem kayak. However, it has a price to match. Yet, this tandem kayak is the absolute best option for small families and/or dogs. One of the main features to notice on the Driftsun Rover 120-220 is its high-pressure drop-stitch floor that is ultra-stable. While most kayaks are for recreational use, this inflatable tandem kayak is also adventure-ready, which means that you can go on whitewater rafting up to Class IV rapids. Additional features include 2 included aluminum paddles, 8 self-bailing ports, tie-down points for your gear, and a GoPro action camera mount. This is a great option for small families and is far more portable than a canoe alternative. Number 2. Sevylor Coleman Colorado 2-Person Fishing Kayak. The Sevylor Coleman Colorado is the most versatile inflatable tandem kayak for fishing, and is one of the best value tandem kayaks we tested. The kayak is made of thick-gauge PVC. It has multiple air chambers to ensure that any rare ruptures don't cause the complete sinking of the ship. The adjustable Coleman seats will keep you and your kayaking partner paddling comfortably during the entire trip. However, if you want to move quickly, you can always add the branded trolling motor and store your paddles in the convenient holders. The Berkley Quick-Set fishing rod holders let you adjust your fishing pole angle. This provides the ultimate hands-free fishing experience. With your hands free, it's easier to take care of your gear, which stores nicely in the mesh pockets or attached to D-rings. Number 1. Intex Explorer K2 Kayak 2-Person Inflatable Kayak. The Intex Explorer K2 is an ideal option for solo kayakers. Being inflatable, it offers incredible value, while at the same time being feature-rich and perfect for all instances. One of the most obvious advantages of the Intex inflatable option for solo travelers is that the boats are incredibly easy to transport. This kayak deflates to such a compact size that it can be transported in the trunk of a standard sedan or hatchback. Weighing at just 31 pounds, you can carry it on your back or tow it without much trouble. However, this doesn't mean that the Intex Explorer K2 kayak is flimsy or difficult to maneuver. On the contrary, with its removable skeg and I-beam floor, this option has increased rigidity and remains highly maneuverable, virtually indiscernible from its hardshell counterparts. The maneuverability is a big deterrent for most lower-quality inflatable kayaks, as these tend to zigzag a good bit. The skeg keeps the kayak on course. Now, it should be noted that this Intex option won't be as ideal as rigid alternatives. Yet, for the occasional kayaking enthusiast, or those without the space available, it will be perfect for getting in the water. Plus, the price is incredible. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.